Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can access and use the AI chat assistant in the Shift browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the first step, launch the Shift browser on your device, like your desktop computer or laptop. Now, usually you should see the AI chat assistant button in the very top left corner next to the URL address here. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl+, and I think that's a dot. Ctrl+ dot, I don't know for 100%, but I think it's Ctrl+ on your keyboard. It's not the same as the AI mode on Google. For example, if you have set Google as your start page here, that's Gemini here, so that's not the same as on Shift browser. So if you don't see that icon in the top left, guys, you need to enable the AI chat assistant here first. So to do that, click into that gear icon in the top right and you will see Shift AI here. Expand that menu if necessary and then enable AI chat. As you can see, if I turn it off, that symbol or icon will disappear. And that's how it works. So access it by clicking into it, and then you can start conversing with the AI chat assistant and ask, for example, for the weather this week, or I don't know, start a conversation here, press enter or click into that button here to send your prompt, your request, and wait for the reply. So for example, let us ask the question, weather this week, what's the weather? Weather this week in Barcelona, and then press enter. And then you will see the thinking process, the thought process, and then also the reply here, so that you may, for example, ask for a retry here, copy the reply, or keep adding your replies below, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.